In my previous video, I showed you how to create a new tenant. In case you want to delete that tenant, you can also do so by going into Azure Active Directory, clicking on Manage Tenants, clicking on the tenant that you want to delete, and clicking on Delete. And making sure that all your prerequisites are ticked as green. So in my case, I would need to delete all my users because this is an exclamation. And once I do, my delete sign will be active. So let's go and try that out. Let's go and delete all my users. So currently there's only one user, which is my dev user. I shall leave this as this was my global administrator when I created my tenant. So delete my dev user, click on refresh, my user is gone. So if I go back into delete tenant and refresh, I shall see that my status has been changed to green and my delete sign is now active. Before you delete, please make sure that this is a development or a tenant that you do not require, because once you delete your tenant, your resources and your users and nothing will be there. This step should be taken with precaution. Do not delete your active tenant. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.